Family Tree Magazine friends. This is Ron Tanner. I'm responsible for the FamilySearch.org product, and I'm going to talk to you today about why on earth would you want to come and participate in the family tree. The family tree is growing like crazy, and one of the beauties about family tree is as you enter in your data, you start with your living, you get to your dead. As soon as you connect to a line that's been already researched by another relative, boom, you're all of a sudden 10, 20, 15 generations back, and you can see all of those ancestors. They have many of them have sources. We're adding 25 million sources a month into Family Tree. There's over 1.3 billion sources in Family Tree, and there's 1.2 billion people in Family Tree. You can, of course, come and participate, learn about your ancestors, and gather everything together that has happened from all of your relatives who've entered in all that great information. It's one place. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Family Tree. It's the place you come to have one profile for every person that's ever lived on planet Earth. If you notice and you go out there to other online places, it's all about your own personal tree, and each relative works on their own tree. But in this world, we're trying to reduce that research duplication. Why research the person twice? So one person that researches it, you find that person as part of your line, you have all of that research that they've done before, and then you can add your research to that person as well. I think Family Tree is a great place to put your stuff and share your family with all of your relatives. So go do it. Give it a try, and then tell all your friends and family, look what I did on Family Tree, and look how far I can go back and see all about my ancestors.